welcome to the channel. In today's video I want to show you guys Thumblytics. It's an AI tool which was generated to test your YouTube thumbnails and titles before you're publishing. Okay, so if you have a YouTube channel and you want to test your thumbnails, okay, let's presume that you already have a software or you know how to create your own thumbnails and also titles, but you never know if this particular one will be actually something which people will like. Okay, so this tool has been created to do some tests before you decide which thumbnail will be more converting for your channel. Okay, so yeah, you spend countless of hours creating your video. Don't ruin it with a bad thumbnail or title. Thumblytics helps you pick the best thumbnail and title combination so you can publish it with confidence. Okay, so first of all, we have made it simple enough to everyone to use. So basically what you need to do is you need to upload your title variations to Thumblytics, your thumbnail and title variants. Then they will preview them on YouTube template and show for hundreds of real people to collect click data. Then they will crunch the data to help you pick the highest click-through rate, thumbnail and title. Okay. So there you go. There are a few people who actually already using it, like more than 10,000 YouTubers are already using it. Some of them, they are quite large accounts, like as far as I can see. So here's the number of, here's for example how it looks like. You know, those two thumbnails were not good enough, or they collected only 3 or 7 clicks. However, this one collected 15 clicks, impressions 111, and click-through rate 13.5, winner 4.3 times more views. Okay, so here you go. This is something which I know that YouTube can already provide it to you guys. However, this YouTube thumbnail testing feature is not really developed yet. Okay, not many people are, people are using it, but not many. There is not the best feedback ever. Okay, especially for the smaller channels. Okay. So basically, if you, let's say that you will add a couple of those thumbnails and variations into the YouTube tester, the YouTube will most of the time will not come up with a with the definite answer for you. Okay, so just bear in mind that this YouTube feature is not really developed yet. So this Thumblytics might be one of the softwares which might help you out in the meantime. Okay. So here you go. This is the website itself. You know, there are a few testimonials, everything else like that. And let's go and see what about the pricing. Okay, so I believe there are more. Okay, four different pricing structures are available. Okay, so for $19, unlimited testing, 3 test credits per month, collect up to 150 responses, $8 per additional credit. Credits roll over and do not expire. Run up to 1 test at the same time. Auto chapters and videos up to 20 minutes. Full access to a title generator. Full access to YouTube preview tool. Okay, that's for hobby. For starter, for $49, you got unlimited testing, 10 test credits per month, $7 per additional credit, and so on and so forth. $99 for 25 test credits, unlimited testing, and for $349 unlimited testing. Okay, there you go. That's something which you have now. You know about it, testing, about the pricing. So let's go and see what the free tools are like. Okay, YouTube thumbnail preview tool, YouTube AI thumbnail maker, YouTube title generator. Let me see this one. Okay, I'm just wondering. Okay, our AI thumbnail design can generate and create thumbnails for you in seconds. Okay, it will create thumbnails based on your instructions and can even tweak existing thumbnails as well as text to them. Unlimited thumbnails, 100% free. Okay, no problem at all. We may go and try it. All right, so what else do I offering us? YouTube AI title generator, a YouTube chapter generator, YouTube transcript downloader, free YouTube to MP3 converter, and so on and so forth. Free YouTube to MP4 converter, free YouTube to WebM converter. All right, okay, so those tools apparently are for free. Okay, so this particular one I'm interested in at the moment. So let's go and let's click get started. Okay, so let's set up the account first. So we need to put our channel's URL, which is this one here. I got up to 1,000 subscribers. What best describes YouTube or creator? How did you heard about us? Yeah, I think I've heard about them on Google. So yeah, there you go. And here we go. We got straight into the pricing. So my question is, do I have any free credits so I can show you guys how it's all working before I can start using it and pay for it? I don't think so. Okay, so if I want to earn free test credits, I just have to go and say what country you pay. Okay, earn free credits per review, thumbnails and titles. All right, okay, I know what you mean. No problem at all. So we can do some sort of review first, and then we will earn some free credits, and that's how they actually come up. I think that's how they also came up with the audience who is reviewing their thumbnails and titles. Okay, so as I said, like in the beginning, that they are showing those thumbnails and titles in front of the hundreds of people, and I believe that some of those people are here and also earning the free credits by using this option, which is, I think it's a good idea. Okay, so now what else can I show you here in that case? Right, okay, so I don't think I can use those free tools at the moment, and that's very pity, because I was actually trying to show you guys some of those free tools at least. Okay, but okay, so what we can do? AI YouTube title generator, that's fine, that's what we can do, and also YouTube preview. Okay, so upload your thumbnail, see how it will look on YouTube. Perfect. Okay, so if you have a thumbnail, you'll be seeing that already here. Okay, that's no worries at all. Thumbnail tester, that's you have to start paying for it. Right. Okay, so I was going to show you guys how to use this a thumbnail maker. Okay, maybe start generating thumbnails. Maybe let's start this way. All right. Okay, they have a ChatGPT integration here. Okay, that's no problem at all. We want to make the thumbnail about there you go. We want to make the thumbnail about, let's go and generate something. Okay, so I just want to create a simple thumbnail for just to simply, do some review. Okay, I'm doing review of this product, and I want to create a thumbnail for it. Okay, so let's go and create this. Perfect. Okay, so we created a thumbnail, design a thumbnail for my website. Okay, I'd love to help you with that. Could you please provide some details about your latest video? There we go. I have this one here, and now it's analyzing it. Okay, response 1, response 2. Okay, to create an effective thumbnail for a software review thumbnail, I will incorporate elements that highlight its functionality, such as computer screen and software interface, combined with the bold visual info. Okay, would you like include text or specific elements? Okay, great. I will design a thumbnail of your video. Software, since it is the software review, I want to ensure that the time grabs attention, highlights the focus of the product. Okay. I will create two variants, both featuring the software branding. I think that this is quite interesting. Okay, so let's go and put number 2, and let's wait for the reply now. Okay, so I clicked that second option, but it didn't go through. So I copy and paste whatever it says here, and start generating something for me. Okay, so it asked me additional questions like, could you confirm that the text you'd prefer, or you would like to focus solely on the visuals? Okay, and so I said, yeah, this text I want to get into it, and it says, oh, I will create the 2 thumbnail variations for the thumbnail review. Both will include the text thumbnail Thumblytics review, and I will aim for a clean, modern design with a tech-focused vibe. I will get started now. Okay, and it's analyzing. Okay, so I'm just wondering if that will show up now. How long it's gonna take. Okay, so now I've created 2 thumbnail visuals. Here you go, you can download them here. Perfect. Okay, and let's go and see it. Okay, guys, that's what they created. Okay, so I'm not really impressed by that, to be honest with you. It's just it's nothing basically. Okay, so this is what this free tool has created for us. Then now I know why it's free. Okay, no, so but anyway, look, guys, Thank you very much for watching. I'll be leaving the link to this tool down inside the description of this video. You might want to go and I don't know, maybe test it out, do some free credits, just do some reviews on the existing thumbnails, see how it goes. Maybe you will like this tool or not. If you have any comments, just leave it below. And also, if you can subscribe to my channel, it'll be much appreciated. Very much. Thank you very much for watching.